was saying, yes, I go deeper to know why these people are doing that. Me who say, yanya yadwin say, ye be dive ehunu, di enti aku bebrebe no. As I say na wo ka no for the 3-4 years coming no. Ye who say ko na we be otene ba bia enam a sa ku we no egusu a eye adwuma no a utimu say eye nkrofo no a omo alliances ne omo borders no wo that area no a sa area no na niema no efri eba. Can we engage them deeply? Because we niema no omo de eba no a omo free baby na eba. When we say your transition, Africa, one of your challenge, a transition of succession. Previous government or was the also any near OBC nine, especially so many free the same party coming. Now omo issues with Omama Musemwa. Sanyama way na etimisi. The soldier for Kenya they say we are seeing insecurity. Number two, we are seeing low development. Ewo ye mainumu. Ye hu say yetima mufo no bebre omo ye safe. Why? Because other troops, other Islamist militants, and krofukonya dwumeku awodo a omo kutia awodo. Al-Qaeda ni sa Boko Haram for this animal. They are disturbing the peace of their people.
And ye oko Niger kwa papa ba ko kan. Eh, na say ku was troops o metim dia ba.
Yeah.
Jihad is high. Any other for high so ye hu ye nte omo nka.
Na yakaya no to mu dia. And when they rise up, me bit my fight them there. Then ahin fa na ye wura na yakọ. Eti immediately me woni say asoja fo ni niam a ekoso no. E wo say ye wura mu ye. Na ye hunu say ade na omo ya na omo ye no. Ho amo na ya na omo dwene wo mo ho. Say with Niger, look at the number of youth a jubilate. And mebunu a jubilate. There near ekoso no enye se timamufuo no omayomani o majority of them ye full support e what the ekoso no if someone so mind enye se the foreign invasion ekoso they say omanye hu say even kra no foreigners no the France, the US, NSA and Crofone invasion were minimum more or less it is a modern day slavery. If the man also do matter consume, enti the me person ye na say ye engage when ye.
Because former president of Nigeria, Olusegun Obasanjo,
like
I say, ono omusia no hu ni say ene niam na ekoso ni na ye hia new era of leadership a ebema youth no so so ye part of the paradigm and na bibia tesa.
That's right. On say they are ekoso wo Africa nyina no. Ye hu say one obedi yansuro muntie yasem. Now what happens is that they say so far as you are in the position as an African leader you can do what you want.
But also omu mama fo so omu yi kwan omu ye niama free senior high school ni ayi ti and also say omu ntie oman for the omu gada omu call campaign to omu ye yi.
Me no na why all this suffering. Ye hu ye nkrofo ne ye penifo say there are a lot more they can do for our country, Africa. But we see that our minds are being enslaved.
Almost is taxes man for and said also.
Mama misappropriation of funds across Africa.
Yeah.
Braya Bresika Semunino. And no which about corruption. Where is the corruption coming from? The majority of Saudi we are Kenyan, any the more do every government.
The last discussion, I'm let me tell Mr. Ball can say Nipan, I'm saying last week, Nipan you to me.
Yes.
But it seems say yeah, na as a one or D and me who say or as me demigods be. Do you think say yes so you contribute to the air course one way or the other?
Minia, and no na watching in an air casse. Setima mufu ankasam. Yeni amma yehusu ya. Ye the minor things in your marketing kitty bed hadari. And they keep on doing. Also, omo yehu say Africans, the citizenry nankasano. It's here from Banjamio. Yajano of And yes, I do think you have to about young 5 CD, Emma, 10 CD, Emma, Cotomame. Onye jisika no eze grade e kwaso no obodu atoso enti wo kwa na dwiri nyira ya ne say wan kwa nkoto ama no edua bobenya no. So now they are seeing say, oh, my mufo no de e ya bedru ye de niam kakra bi ba e bebiri o mani so. If you look at your political system, it do election time, look at what happens. Share by elections recently. So can we do these things for our people? You bet me niam we am yetima mufo. Ebi mon sorry, omo sorry anopa no mu ni omo kwada no omo kwantes omo sorry asphalt, correct? So omo ni say saadi ma we betima koso. By election koreba, look at developmental and niema wodwa yedeba. Enti ye contribute ye what the major influence. But on the Africans, ignorance. Any education a warfare. Any niema be warfare no, e contributed to that. There is a need for all media, churches, other shareholders and stakeholders, next microphone should come out so strong and educate the citizenry of Africans. And yes, sir, young Crofway,
so the churches, the media,
I
don't know. Is it why?
But they say Ghana, the Aquayani African, you know, you'll be attacked.
Okay.
Now, the reason why I say about Ghana, you Peace Council, the brainwash your religious bodies.
Yes.
You put aside that. On say Ghana, there were some churches, especially with the Orthodox churches.
Yes.
On say they have been tried, they have been tested over years.
Yes.
They have been in existence for quite a longer period of time.
Yes.
But have you seen that they are not coming out?
The
reason being, they say we were nimba as Osofo, as Imam, as traditionalists, even Ahemfo. Look at how they are attacked in Ghana. The target where they want. Any woman, baby, almost thinking about their families.
But that's what I say you.
And only the kind of Enema now, no. I was saying me any pound when you're sorry. If he said, or your son for no about, or your hen no about, yes, we need near politics. Meanwhile, a young woman refuse say, Sanyama way you know, a part of the church, a part of Amamu, a part of Ekro, what him for myself for me and Casa Mebusia, you be the
right. Mesa basu be bad, my memfa is ECOWAS, and Namo Mutuno. Feno rap up number baby, or maybe busa clergy, no. Wohwem new media wo cool ne abraboma setena saying na mo access on.
Enti yenre the interventions of ECOWAS.
Yes, first.
Now, omo kachre yen say omo use all protocols. And now they want to go in with military intervention. The enemy wouldn't say omo eniema omo de shase ni nyina no more or less. The Niger military who say any favorable. The ain't favorable, they say. Now you open say me reinstate a president me makapchan. Now when it comes to power, na me the nisiswa negotiation be na mo de aye ama yenya you carry out the coup.
Okay.
So I will fear me sure say I ran over. He will attack me. They will attack them. They will kill all of them. And what shall Niger? Omu constitutional mandate ni orders are. Unkrofo muti etua ene ho niema no. The punishment we give to them. Omu lebre eyetritwa. They will kill them. Omu nyina because you won say eni kwa say wunya say ugina ho. It omu say woni am omode ba no nye favorable to them. Omu engagement with them no more or less no a threat. And omu say carry omu wan say now no yawo other alliances amu so create. Now yawo other militants omu so be with them. Enti now ye no nyina be form alliance. It is a mere matter of sorry. Almost
Okay.
so now they were engaged. So almost say ECOWAS, almost approach any threatening, you can solve issues. Hey, so what say even in the field of counseling and in the field of psychology, if you want to resolve issues and stay peace with people, going in with a threat, no, nipa kronso ever chere was say, or no so one tell unko be a phone. Who's who is saying no by it. So Mimi when say the approach ECOWAS a use.
Okay.
Now it's almost sit back here.
90.7.
No two more boys. A behind it is some higher some more coming in say they are opening up for negotiation.
Yes.
What is happening at the back door? I know say omo adwene e hyaase baso say they are trying so meeting ne omo edi nkomo yi. Na omo tie omo nso asem yi. Na interventions omo dey ba no, it will bring peace, it will bring security. Ebema tememufo wato na ma western influence bebreba ekoso no. It waiting here.
Medasi bebre also for free fine out and can SOMPA 90.7 FM and was so near uti and